Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I am going to discuss about the topic latest Windows 11 preview update KB5077241. So I will show you now how to download and install this update, and I am also going to discuss about what are the features introduced with this update. So to download this update, open settings, tap on Windows Update, tap on check for updates. After you tap on check for updates, it will display the available updates to download. After that, just tap on download and install. After that, it will ask for the restart. Just restart your system. I already installed this update. To check the previously installed updates, tap on update history. Here you can find the previously installed updates. I already installed KB5077241. So after you install this update, the revision number is going to change to 7922. To check the revision number, open Run Dialog box and type Win version. Here you can check the revision number. Now we will see what are the features introduced with this update. This update has a few interesting features. The first feature it is actually you can check the internet speed from the taskbar also actually. Before before this update, if you want to check the internet speed, we need to open browser. Actually, we need to open the browser and we need to check in the any site actually. So if you want to check the internet speed, we need to open any browser and we need to check in the any site actually. But after you install this update, actually KB5077241, they brought the good feature actually in the taskbar. The taskbar itself, they brought good feature actually. Just you check in the taskbar actually, just right click on this Wi-Fi symbol. I mean, not only Wi-Fi symbol, if you have LAN connection or if you have cellular connection, I mean, if your internet is connected to LAN or cellular or any Wi-Fi connection, just tap on the internet connection on the taskbar, and here you can find the perform speed test actually. So after you tap on perform speed test, directly it will open the site actually. Directly it will open speed test in the browser actually. Just tap on start. Here you can find your internet speed actually. So you can perform speed test from the taskbar itself actually. This is very good feature actually introduced with this update. But before this update itself, we need to go to the browser and we need to open any site. But after installing this update, just right click on the taskbar on the internet, just perform speed test. So directly it will open the speed test in the browser. You can check your internet speed here actually. Download speed, upload speed actually. This is one feature, one good feature, perform speed test. And one more feature it is actually like system monitor actually. I mean, they introduced the system monitor inbuilt itself after installing this update actually. So before we need to check the monitor task like perform like any process creation or if you want to check the network connections or if you want to check any threads, we need to go to the internet. I mean, we need to open the browser and we need to download the system monitor actually. We need to download the system monitor, sys monitor actually. We can say it is a sys monitor. Can say it is a Sysmon actually. On software actually. We need to download this software separately actually. But after you install this KB5077241, this Sysmon soft, this Sysmon tool itself, it is inbuilt in the Windows actually. So I will show you now how to enable this Sysmon tool actually. But before this update, we need to separately download this Sysmon tool from the internet. But after installing this update, they introduced this feature Sysmon inbuilt itself actually the Windows. So I will show you how to enable this Sysmon feature also. So what this Sysmon it will do, it will actually monitor all the tasks like process creation and monitoring the network connections also, and if you are using for any threats actually, I mean if you want to found any threats actually, that case also this Sysmon is used actually. But now you don't need to separately download this tool actually. It is inbuilt in the Windows now. So I will show you now how to enable this Sysmon actually. So for that you can use two ways actually. From the command prompt you can directly run these commands actually to enable the Sysmon. Otherwise you can enable from the optional features also. I will show you the both ways. So in case if you want to enable this Sysmon from the features, just open settings, and tap on system, scroll down and tap on optional features and tap on more Windows features. Scroll down. Here you can find the Sysmon tool actually. I mean this feature. So from here you can enable this feature. Otherwise you can enable this feature from the command prompt also. If you want to enable from here, just check this box actually. Otherwise you can enable this feature from the command prompt also. Just run that command in the command prompt. I mean you can run that command in command prompt or PowerShell also. Just open command prompt. Open command prompt and run this command actually. DASM actually, this is already DASM is image deployment tool actually. We already discussed about this DASM before. I think you can check in my previous videos. Just run this command DASM /online /enable -feature. Just run this command actually to enable this feature Sysmon DASM /online /enable -feature /feature name :Sysmon and hit enter. So here you can check the percentage also. Is displaying the message the operation completed successfully, but it is still not finished. After that you need to run this command also, Sysmon -i and hit enter. So this is for the installation of the Sysmon tool actually. So if you don't run this command, it will not it will not install completely. Sysmon -i. So now you can see here the Sysmon tool it is started actually. So in the both ways actually, either you can enable from the optional features, you can enable from the optional features also. This is one way. Otherwise you can enable from the command prompt also. The both ways you can enable this Sysmon tool actually. So I will show you now how to monitor the activity using this Sysmon. Just now we enabled actually, But how to enable, I will show you. No, I mean, sorry, how to monitor the process creation or otherwise activities. I will show you now. For that, just open the File Explorer. Otherwise, you can directly right click on this PC on your desktop. Right click on this PC. Tap on Manage. You need to navigate to this path actually. After you tap on Manage, just tap on Event Viewer. Tap on Application and Service Logs. Tap on Microsoft. Tap on Windows. Here you can find the Sysmon activity actually. So just explore the Event Viewer. Tap on Event Viewer. Tap on this Application and the Service Logs. Just wait few seconds actually. It will take some time to explore this application and service logs. Tap on Microsoft. Tap on Windows. Just scroll down. After you tap on Windows, just scroll down. Here you can find the Sysmon actually. Just tap on Sysmon and tap on this operational. Double click on this operational. Here you can find all the activity, you can monitor all the process creation and network connection. Otherwise, if you want to use for any threat detection also, you can use this Sysmon actually. But before actually we need to go to the internet. I mean, we need to go to the browser and we need to separately download actually. But Microsoft brought this Sysmon actually using the, I mean, Microsoft brought this Sysmon as inbuilt actually after you install this KB5077241. Here you can here you can monitor all the process creation. Otherwise, network connections and any threat detection also you can monitor all the things using this Sysmon actually. In both ways you can enable. Either you can enable using the optional features, otherwise you can enable using the command prompt also. Both ways you can enable this Sysmon actually. This Sysmon and perform speed test. They made at a, I mean they made as a inbuilt actually. Index inbuilt actually. And one more feature it is actually they introduce panel tilt options in the camera actually. Camera settings. So just open settings. Tap on Bluetooth and devices. Tap on Bluetooth and devices. Scroll down. Tap on cameras. So just tap on your camera actually. This is my inbuilt camera. If you have any external cameras also, just tap on that camera. So here you can find these two options actually, pan and tilt actually. So this pan and tilt options are introduced with this update only. I mean, your hardware supports the camera settings like the pan it is easy to move the camera like horizontally. Move the camera like horizontally using this pan option, and you can tilt your camera vertically up and down. So this feature is introduced with this update only, pan and tilt, but it will work only if your hardware supports actually. And one more thing is actually you can find the new icons in the task manager. Just open the task manager. The task manager you can find the new icons actually, like the process actually you can check actually. You go to the Windows search, like if you go to the search actually, 1 second, please wait 1 second. Just if you don't find directly, just type in the search bar actually. The search bar actually they made their changes in the search bar icon actually. They updated to magnifying glass actually. You can find this magnifying glass symbol. I mean magnifying glass icon for this search actually search process. And not only this actually, you can found the green leaf also. So after you install this update, you can found the magnifying glass for the search, and you can find this green leaf also, green leaf icon and magnifying glass icon. Both icons actually they updated actually. So you can find this green leaf also. It actually it is the represents actually, it indicates actually it is effective search actually. I mean it is restrict actually to consume more CPU resources. So this green leaf indicates is restricting the I mean restricting the consuming more CPU resources actually. This is the meaning of this green leaf actually. So after you install this update, this is also the task manager also you can find this both icons. I mean magnifying glass icon and the green leaf also. Green leaf actually is restricting to from the it is restricting from the consuming more CPU resources. And while Windows searching also, it is made changes in the searching icon also. They updated to magnifying glass icon. You can found this both icon symbols as updated actually. And I think you got the idea about the icons also, meaning, I mean, what it is intended for actually, both the icons. And one more thing is, it is when you press Windows logo plus semicolon, it will open the emojis actually, and they introduced more emojis actually with this update actually. I mean, they introduced more emoji icons with this update. You can open this, you can use these emoji icons. You can use more emoji icons actually. So if you open browser, it will open the emoji itself. When you open the emoji icons, just press the Windows logo plus semicolon. Just try to open any emoji. It will open in the browser sometimes actually. So you can use more emoji icons. You can find more emoji icons here actually. So compare with the previous update, you can find more emoji icons also here. You can find more emoji icons here. You can check the all the emojis here. I mean GIF also. You can find the extra emojis here. Same way you can open this emoji icons in the browser also. Like this, you can open in the browser also here, the emojis. So one more thing is you can find the one more previous. It is not a new feature actually. Here in the start menu, if you open the start menu, just you can found the this grid actually. I mean view actually. So like if you want to change it to grid, you can change the view to grid actually, like a grid view. Otherwise, if you want to change it to list, you can change it to list view also. This is actually previous feature only, but slowly it is roll out to my system. So in the start menu also, you can change the view actually as category, as grid, as list also. That's it, guys. That's all about this KB5077241 update. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit like button and please click subscribe my channel. For more upcoming videos, please hit bell icon. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and family also. Thank you guys. Thank you very much for your time.